Hello guys, welcome to Lossy Crochet Designer, and today we are going to crochet baby barefoot sandal. I'm going to use this color of yarn is pink, crochet hook and a pair of scissors. And because my yarn is very thin, I'm going to double it. Okay, let's start. I'm going to make a magic chain. I'm going to start with a magic chain. And start making a chain. This is 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and go back to our magic chain and make you will yarn over 1, yarn over 2 and make a triple crochet. This is triple crochet. Yarn over again and make a triple crochet. Yarn over again and make another triple crochet. Triple crochet, you are going to make 4 of them. This is the third one, and yarn over again and make the fourth one, the fourth triple crochet like this. Now yarn over 1 and make double crochet. This is double crochet. Yarn over and make another double crochet. Yarn over, make another double crochet. This is 3 double crochets. Yarn over and make the fourth one. This is the fourth double crochet like this. Now yarn over again and make a triple crochet. This is triple crochet. And our magic chain is running out, so I'll have to tighten it a little bit because I still have some work to do to work in here. Now here I'm going to make a chain of 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go back to our triple crochet and work in both. On top of our triple crochet, you will work in both. We'll insert your hook here and grab your yarn and make a slip stitch. This is a slip stitch like this. Yarn over again and make a triple crochet. This is a triple crochet. Now we are going to work 4 double crochets. This is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet and 4 double crochets. Now we are going to work 4 triple crochets. You will yarn over twice and it will be 3. Go back to a magic chain and make a triple crochet. Yarn over again and make the second triple crochet. yarn over again, and make the third triple crochet like this. Yarn over again, and make the fourth triple crochet. Now you are going to chain 1, chain 2, and make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to pull our magic chain so that it can come together to tight our circle. Now I'm going to work a slip stitch, and this is a slip stitch, pull this magic chain so that this space here should close like this. Now chain 1 like this, and secure, cut your yarn and secure your loop so it should not run out. Secure it like this. Now I'm going to make a chain, and I'm going to start with a knot. I'm going to start with a knot, and I'm going to chain 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go back to the first loop and make a slip stitch. Now chain 1, and we have a ring here. In this space we are going to work 8 single crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, the last one. And you are going to work a slip stitch here. This is a slip stitch. The remaining is time to cut it off. And start making a chain of 50. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Now you are going to insert your hook in our magic chain here and work a single crochet. This is single crochet like this, and make another chain of 50. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now you are going to add another 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. You are going to work in the fourth one. You will count from your hook. In the fourth one, you will make a slip stitch. And this is a slip stitch. Chain 1 and go in your ring here. We have a ring here. Now this we are going to work 8 single crochets. 8 single crochets. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and you will close with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and secure your endings like this. Now it's time to hide your remainings. This one here. And I can cut it off. And this is our baby barefoot sandal. It is ready. And here it is. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Please.